Hey guys, fun tech reviews here. As you can see, we have the Roborock Dyad today to look at. I'm super excited for this unit. It's been something I wanted to review for a long time. So big thank you to Roborock for sending this over for me to review. As always, there'll be links in the description if you want to get one for yourself. I know that the Thanksgiving holiday is coming up here, so is Black Friday and then Cyber Monday. It'd be a great time to snag a great deal on all their products. They have their Q5, the Roborock S9 Max V, their Roborock Dyad, and so many more products. So make sure you check out roborock.com for more information. Let's go ahead and get into this unit. Let's look at the box just a little bit more. I apologize for the weird angle. This thing is just so massive that I had to do kind of a weird angle to be able to get everything read here. So first things first, we have eliminate dry and wet dirt, driven by Dyad power, agile cleaning head, edge-to-edge cleaning, and then just a picture of the unit on the box here. Turn it this way. We'll flip it this way. Some more information about the unit here. So we have Roborock Dyad, vacuum wash at once, edge-to-edge rollers, multi-roller power, agile and effortless. And we'll turn it to the back here. Alright, on the other side of the box here, we have what's inside the unit. So we have the Dyad body, the dock, maintenance brush, filter, power supply, and the product manual. We flip this around to the back. So some more features on the back of the box here: vacuum and wash at once, edge-to-edge rollers, multi-roller power, agile and effortless, same as before, intense suction, self-cleaning ease, adaptive cleaning, and large area cover. Alright, with that, let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside. Alright, so first thing we have inside is our clean user manual. Just some information about the unit. Next we have our dock here. Let's go ahead and get this out. Here's the dock itself. We'll set that aside for now. Next we have our power cord, just standard power adapter. Go ahead and set that aside. Alright, now we have the main unit itself. Let's go ahead and take this out. Alright, so here's the main unit. Here's our brush rolls on the bottom here for wet and dry. As you can see, here's some instructions on the side here. I'll flip it around here so you can see it. More instructions on the side there. Here's where we can access the roller brushes, take the cover off, and then of course the entire unit itself. I'm going to set this aside for now and then we'll go more in depth too with it. It's kind of heavy here, so give me just a minute. Next we have a handle for the unit. Go ahead and get this out of the packaging. Alright, here's the handle itself. So we have our buttons at the top here, and then this just snaps into the unit with a little connector here. Set that aside. Here's our maintenance brush. That's a pretty decent sized maintenance brush and looks like it'll come in handy for cleaning the unit. I also like the little Roborock logo here. I'll set that aside. Next we have a spare filter. A pretty decent sized filter. Let's set that aside. And here we have our unit where the unit will go into the wall and charge. Go ahead and set that aside as well. That should be it for the box. Go ahead and set everything aside here, the box aside, and we'll get back more into the unit, discuss more about the unit itself. Give me just a minute. Alright, so here's this massive unit all kind of set up here with the handle installed. Power button and our mode select button, as well as language select. You have your display the top there with your battery percentage. Right in this area is your clean tank. Here's your dirty tank and also your vacuum dirty tank. Here's your splash guard for the unit, which is easy to remove. There's some instructions over here how to remove the brush rollers. And here's the back piece, which I initially thought was a wall hanging device, which I was completely wrong. So let's go ahead and take a look at the dirty tank and then the clean tank. Alright, so here's our dirty tank as well as the vacuum intake. As you can see, we have a filter here. Alright, so there's your dirty tank. As you can see, it's a pretty decent size dirty tank. Set that aside. And then of course we have our catch for the vacuum filter as well. We'll set that aside as well. Next we have our clean water tank. Also a pretty decent size. I would say the dirty tank's a bit larger, just to be able to hold more debris and whatnot. That's a pretty decent thing to see there. Pretty decent quality as well. I really like the quality of this unit. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this here. We'll just have to get it set up in an area and fill it up with some water, and we'll do some dry runs first with it, and then after that we'll do some cleaning. Alright, for the Roborock Dyad's first test, I'm going to have it vacuum up some mud and dirt from the winter time outside. As you can see, it's pretty dirty here, so let's go ahead and give it a shot and see how well it does. Alright, here we go. Let's see how well it does on this mess here. Alright guys, so I did pretty well over on the dirt and whatnot over there in the corner. Now I made a little bit of a mess here. I dumped some milk and some chili. I know, a weird combination, right? But let's do a quick little test and see how well it does before I put it back on the dock to clean itself. Alright, there you have it. Cleaned up the mess very well. I am thoroughly impressed with this unit. Let's go put it on the dock and watch it clean. Alright, we're going to go ahead and let it clean. Go ahead and press the clean button at the top.
Cleaning. Cleaning rollers.
Alright, there you are. We're going to let it charge and we're going to empty the dirty water tank and I'll show you what it picked up. Alright, here's everything it picked up. Let's go ahead and dump it out. And then we'll go ahead and wash it out. That'll be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And we'll see you next time.